Welcome, welcome, rockers and music lovers. Welcome to this episode of Double D's Rock School. We're going to shift gears on this one. We're going to have a little bit of fun. This is going to be a complete, absolute beginner's course to the ukulele. We're going to learn in 10 minutes to play hundreds of songs on this very simple instrument using these 4 simple chords. As a matter of fact, the 4 magic chords. You can pick up a ukulele. This one cost me $50. It's a Ukadelic by Kala. Why is it so cool to play a ukulele now? When I was a kid, we had one guy who was famous who played a ukulele, and he looked like this. His name was Tiny Tim. He was a really tall guy who sang in this crazy falsetto voice, and I don't mean to insult him, but it was more of a comedy act or a novelty act than anything else. But now, all kinds of people are playing ukuleles. Pretty girls play ukulele, which makes them much more attractive to guys who like pretty girls, of course. Anybody can play the ukulele. You don't need big, strong hands. Kids can do it. Women, smaller women who would have trouble playing a full-size guitar or bass, this is a great way into playing music. So first of all, what is a ukulele? A ukulele is a 4-stringed instrument. It resembles a guitar in its basic shape and composition, but it's tuned differently because it's small. These come in different sizes. They have tenor and baritone and soprano. This one is a soprano, and it is tuned to the key of C, which means that the top string is a G, the next string is a C, the second string from the bottom is an E, and the bottom string is an A. So, is what it should sound like. What you can do also for about $20 is you can pick up an electronic tuner, which you clip on the headstock. So we have G, we have C, we have E, and we have A. So here you go. Now it's in tune. The first chord we'll talk about is C major chord. You can see the diagram here. And the next chord, so basically just the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the top string. Now, what happens usually is that people, when they're learning an instrument, they'll go from one chord, then they take their hand off the fretboard, the complete reset, and then start building the next chord afterwards. What I suggest is that you take your first finger, or your middle finger, that's already on the fretboard, you look at the next chord, which will be a G chord, and what is the lead finger to build the next chord? Like, one finger leads the hand into the next chord. So what I would do from C to G is I just slide down 1 fret to the 2nd fret on the same string. I put my index finger on the 3rd string, and I put my ring finger just in between the 2 fingers on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. You can see in the diagram how it looks. And that's a G. C, G, and then we have another 1-finger chord, which is the middle finger on the top string at the 2nd fret. So, middle finger for C, lead your hand down to the 2nd fret, and then build your other chord without the G, without lifting your hand off the fretboard. Now you take your lead finger, which will be your middle finger because it's just going to the top string, put it on the top string, lift your other fingers off. You have A minor. Keep the A minor like this, and just add your first finger, your index finger, on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and you have the 4th chord in the magic chord series. So here you are. C, G, A minor, F. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Country road, take me home to the place that I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So lonely, so lonely, so lonely. Do you come from a land down under? Women go and men plunder, or whatever they do down there. Take on me. Take me on. See the storm set in your eyes. Feel the thorn twist in your side. And I'm waiting for you. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Wherever it takes, when my heart breaks. Sorry, Richard Marx, I don't know all the lyrics to your song. But here you go, that is just a small sampling of all the songs that you can play with the 4 magic chords. Here we are 10 minutes into it, and we already know these 4 chords. Before we go any farther, if you are enjoying this, this is supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be easy, and it's supposed to be a quick gateway into playing music, playing songs, and just getting the rhythm and the vibe and the music in your blood. So if you are enjoying this, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see us cover in the future. It would be a pleasure. For those of you that were expecting a guitar tutorial, my apologies, but please use this to expand your horizons. Learning a new instrument, even though it resembles the old one, is completely different than playing the guitar. So a little word on strumming. Strumming, I think of strumming as the drummer in the band. You can just use your index finger and just practice it on one chord just to get a rhythm. If you can get your foot tapping, do tap, tap, and you're tapping on the down, on the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, I'm heading down south to the land of the pine. I'm thumbing my way out of North Carolina, and I look down the road and pray that I see headlights. I made up the coast in 17 hours. I'm picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh, see my baby tonight. And it's that easy. All you need to do is just remember if your lead finger. I know I just did it with my ring finger, but I've been playing guitar for almost 50 years, so it's easy for me. But for you who's just starting out, lead finger into the next chord. Think about it before you change. C, G, A minor, F. Hundreds of songs at your disposal. $50 for a ukadelic ukulele or whatever else you want to buy. There are many different price ranges. This is the least expensive. You can pay hundreds of dollars for a beautiful handmade koa wood ukulele. Which, you know, would be much better than this. It would sound better than this. I did a little bit of shopping, and oh my lord, these really nice ones really sound amazing. But if you want to just start off in your living room to see if this is something that you would like to do, or you want to be able to entertain your friends at a party, get a sing-along going, with these 4 chords, you can keep people singing all night long and never repeat the same song twice. It is that simple, the 4 magic chords. Check it out. The ukulele, the tuner, the 4 magic chords, the pretty girls, you got it all. Thank you so much, everybody, for spending this time with me. My name is Dwayne Dixon, aka Double D. That has been this unique episode of Double D's Rock School. So go get yourself a uke and let's learn 200 songs in 10 minutes. See you on the next one.